So good morning, co-learners. This is Michelle Arhemilian, Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies, third-year students of GRMSU Tampilisan campus. And today's discussions, we will going to answer the questions if you are going to lecture on Education 4.0 and how schools can help prepare learners in Industrial Revolution 4.0. What will you dwell on? Answer this statement. Let us first discuss Education 4.0. Accordingly, Education 4.0 is a response to the concept of change brought by Industrial Revolution 4.0. It is an era of connectivity of nations across the globe beyond the thousands of miles of distance. The persons of ancient times might ask, why and how? And so the children of the contemporary world will answer by mentioning the names of computer, the internet connections, technology, and etc. That is the lifestyles of today's society. The people are able to connect and communicate their friends or their relatives in far distance through the utilizations of the mentioned technologies and tools. With this concept, we may able to figure out what is the educational institutions in Education 4.0. And we can imagine a classrooms not just filled with computers and technologies, but a classrooms that is connected to the global arena. The schools are adapted to the change of time. As we can observe nowadays, many of the educational institutions are implementing the flexible mode of learnings. It is the combinations of either face-to-face, the modular, or the online learnings. The classes can be done through Google Meeting or Zoom. That is, regardless of the distance of the teachers and the students, still they may able to exchange their ideas and their knowledge. At the same time, if the students would like to conduct research to further understand a certain topic, so they can have it in the internet, in the Google or in the Chrome. Whether we like it or not, it is the face of the modern educational institutions. And so I guess it is the responsibility of the school and the teachers to help learners in honing their skills so that they may able to live and survive with this modern demand. The schools should be encouraged to provide the essential tools like computer, gadgets, and more in their institutions. And it is the responsibility of the teachers also to teach the learners how to utilize the equipment for development and for good purposes. So regardless of the uncertainty of life, there's only certain thing that I could say, that the world in the future will keep on or even more dependent on the use of technology. So as early as now, we have to encourage in exposing students in utilizing technology so that they may able to prepare themselves whatever the demand and the challenges in the near future.